Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro, USD and GBPUSD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So dollar climbs on weak stocks and hawkish Fed comments. The weakness in stocks Friday boosted liquidity demand for the dollar. Hawkish comments Friday from New York Fed President William and Chicago Fed President Cosby were also positive for the dollar when they signaled their support for steady Fed policy. So overall, the market sentiment is, I won't say very bullish, okay, but still positive for dollar, as a result of which we can see that DXY or US dollar index is trying to recover. As we all know, for the last couple of days, DXY was under heavy pressure. It made a low of 103.2, but dollar index is trying to hold a level for quite some time. NFP pass, CPI pass, they were not good for dollar, but still dollar was able to hold the level. Okay, FOMC also passed, dollar is still holding the fort, and we can see that slowly dollar index is going up. But as we have already discussed in our previous videos also, for a trend reversal, okay, we need DXY above 104.50, because earlier also we saw market going up but it failed. Now also we can see that the market structure is bullish, market is forming higher highs and higher lows. But is this a complete trend reversal? No, this is not a trend reversal, because for a trend reversal we need a solid proof. We need DXY above 104.50. Unless it breaks 104.50, it will just be a sideways market. And if market drops, then the previous support of 103.20, 103 as support is still very much valid. Okay, so let's wait and watch whether dollar is able to break the range or not. If it fails, then it will be like this only. Okay, and if it succeeds, then okay, then it's good for dollar, and in return we will see pressure on Euro USD and GBP USD. That is the daily chart of Euro USD, Euro dollar in front of us, and we can see that Euro dollar has formed a double top kind of a pattern. I do not like to talk much about patterns, okay, but it was clearly visible, so I thought that I should bring it up. Okay, otherwise many will think that okay, I have missed it. No, we have a double top kind of a pattern here, but we also need to keep in mind that if okay, if DXY, okay, if DXY, okay, fails to break the range and comes down, then this double top pattern will also fail. If any news comes out during the weekend or by next week, and if DXY continues the recovery, then this double top pattern may work. So your one eye should be on DXY, because the dollar chart is going to play a major role for you. Okay, if you love to trade on Euro USD. On the chart of Euro dollar, okay, we are back to the hourly chart. We do not have much trading opportunities. We can see that at this moment market is forming lower lows and lower highs. Technically it signifies the dominance of sellers, but if we look at the overall chart here, we can see the market is sideways. Okay, market is sideways, and I personally feel okay, unless DXY shows a big recovery, Euro USD will remain like this. Okay, so in this situation, okay, it's better for us to stick to the levels. If you are looking for a swing trade or positional trade that you can hold for a couple of days, couple of weeks, then this is not the ideal time. You need to have a clarity regarding the direction, and right now the next direction of euro dollar or GBP USD is not clear to us. So it's better for us to stick to the levels, and obviously we are traders, we need to be flexible according to the market situation. For example, if a market is super trending, then obviously okay, it's better for us to hold a position and be patient. And in a situation like this, it's better to stick to the levels and do level to level trading only. So on the chart of Euro USD, the best support, okay, the best support or the next immediate support is around 1.0775 to 1.0765. We have discussed about this support earlier also. This support is still very much valid because of previous support around this area. If you see market hitting this level, check what DXY is doing. If you see DXY is showing signs of reversal or going down, you can look for a buy around this area. If Euro USD breaks this level, then obviously that will be a different story and we will discuss in our next video. But as of now, let's keep our focus on this particular support. And if market goes up from here, then we can look for a quick sell of 20-25 pips around 1.0857 and 1.0843. These are the two levels where you can look for a sell opportunity as a day trader. On around this area, do not expect much. If you can score 20-25 pips also, it is good enough. Around this area, we can at least look for a bounce of 50 pips. Okay, and we are looking for reversal around these two areas because of our beloved FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Okay, this one 1.0857 plus resistance, and we are considering 1.0843 because of another FIBO level around this area. Okay, so these are the two levels where you can look for a quick sell as a day trader if market goes up. If you see that there is a sudden reversal, market is super bullish, that's a different story, just avoid it. But as of now, we can see that there is an opportunity to look for a sell around these areas. Okay, my dear friends, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again for the last time. So it's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support, especially for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money, those all the technicals, all the indicators, okay, following all the patterns, but still in loss. So if you are looking for a solution, then you can consider joining the workshop. I conduct the workshop in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है, आप join कर सकते हैं. Okay, you can see at first there will be 3 consecutive classes and then there will be 4 weekly sessions. So these are the dates for the weekly, Hindi classes 4th, 5th and 6th of April, and English classes are starting from 11, 12 and 13. And these are the dates for the weekly sessions. You can see I have stretched this for a long period, for more than a month, and the reason is that trading takes time, so that you can understand and execute the knowledge that you will be gaining. Because if we learn everything at once, we tend to forget. And these are the topics that we will be discussing. You can see no fancy topics here. We will be looking at the core concepts only, but from a different angle. We will try to understand how does the market actually work. And you will also be receiving free risk management guide, discipline guide, checklist, lot size calculator, and there will be a special sessions for Indians, residents of India, because trading in India is a little difficult because of some legal issues. And I will also add you to our WhatsApp community, where you will be receiving regular market updates, analysis, so that you can understand during this journey how to proceed with the market, where are the levels, how to take the trades, where to take the trades. And this is how the WhatsApp group looks like. You can see that you'll be receiving regular market updates, analysis. Okay, and you can join now also till the workshop. You'll be receiving regular market updates, analysis for free of cost. Many people also join for these updates analysis because they get ready-made. Okay, they don't need to do it themselves. And these are the topics for the weekly sessions. And my dear friends, all the classes are conducted over Google Meet, and I record each and every session because many people cannot attend because of time difference. And the best part is the fees. It's only $20 or rupees 1500 for the workshop and 1 month support. And trading takes time. If you're looking for personal sessions, mentorship, then you can also look for semi-annual or lifetime support. Here you'll be getting 2 personal sessions in semi-annual and 6 personal sessions in lifetime support and WhatsApp support from my side. So you're most welcome to join if you feel that you are struggling and you need some guidance. These are the payment methods. Once you're done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group. Now, GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar, we have a similar scenario here. Overall, the chart is sideways. The current trend of the market is down. Okay, so here also we can look for a sell if market goes up 1.2966 and 1.2950. These are the two levels on the chart of GBP USD where we can look for a sell position if market goes up from here as a day trader. 1.2966 seems to be a better level because of strong price ejection. Okay, because of strong price ejection around this area and also the 100 moving average. This is also a good level. Okay, around 1.2953, 1.2950. Let's wait and watch. I think these two levels also have the potential of giving us around 30 pips. Okay, if market goes up from here, and just like euro USD also, we have a strong support of around 1.2860 to 1.2840. This is another support on the chart of euro GBP USD, where we can look for a buy. We are considering this support because of previous support around this area and FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Okay, so similar story here also. Okay, you need to keep your one eye on DXY. If market hits the support area, observe what DXY is doing. If you see that it is showing signs of reversal, we can look for a buy around 1.2860, 1.2840. And if market goes up, as a day trader, we can look for a sell around 1.2950. Okay, 1.2950 and 1.2966, 1.2970 area. So let's wait and watch. And not a very good chart to trade. Market is choppy. Okay, do not expect to sit on a position for a couple of days, because we do not have clarity about the direction right now. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.